Hello kids, today let us learn the words and their opposites. What do you mean by opposites? Opposite meaning completely different. So one we are doing, if one thing is said, that the other thing will be totally different. If we ask someone to come, then the opposite of is we must ask him to go away. So that's the opposite, which will be quite different. Sit, stand. So in this way, the opposites are quite different action which we are doing. If a girl is laughing, the opposite of it is crying. So in this way, we can find the opposites. So now see the 10th page, all of you. Choose the correct opposite of the given word. In the example, if you see the glad meaning is happy. Is the girl happy? No, she is not happy. By seeing her face, we can say she is upset. Now let us see the first one, always. Something we do always. What is the opposite that we never do it? Always we do, or then we can say the opposite is the thing which we won't do at all. So what is the answer for that? Just tick the correct answer. Second one, believe. Believe means we are having trust. Trust in the sense we believe them. So if we doesn't believe them, then what do we have on them? We don't believe. Yes? So try to collect the correct answer. Okay? Trust, doubt, carry, like. Tick the correct answer. Brave. Third one is brave. Brave means he's very bold and he can do anything. He's not afraid of anything. Now what is the opposite of this? If you see, covered, sweet, innocent, intelligent. Now tick the correct answer. Try to find it. According to the options, you can check it. Build. We are going to build. So what is the opposite of it? A construction is going on, the building is going on. So if we don't want that building, what do we do? So building is to construct. Then what do we do if we doesn't want it? So check the answer. Is it form, destroy, size, or shape? Fifth one, different. If you take the dresses we wear on Friday, everyone different. Friday or Saturday we can see different dresses. Then what about on the day of uniform, how they will be there about all the children? Check it. Is it separate, alone, single, or same? Sixth one, selfish. Selfish means a person who thinks that I want everything for me. So everything he wants for himself only. Then we say he is a selfish. What about the person then? If he gives to everyone, everything whatever is there, he tries to give to others. So what is the word we use for that? Is it kind, greedy, octopus, or heavy? Seventh one, huge. So huge means very, very, very big. Then what do you say something which is small? Is it great, vast, size, or tiny? Eighth one, more. More means having in plenty. Not one, many are there, then we can say more. If not more, only few are there. So more means let us think 100 are there, but only 3 or 4 are there. Then what can we say? Is it less, extra, new, or other? Ninth one, narrow. Narrow means if we see the roads in front of our house or near the school. So how will be our roads? They will be very narrow. But think of the highway while you are going to Hyderabad, some other big cities. Then the roads will be very big. Then what do we call them? Can we say big roads tight, wide, fine, or thin? Now 10th one, odd. O-D-D, odd. So odd means something which is different, odd looking. The meaning is different. So what will be the opposite of it? Is it similar, Multiply, different or uneven. Pull. You might have seen on the doors of theaters or some other shops, they ask you to pull it outside. So what is the opposite of it? Is it dragging, take, climb or to push? So what is the opposite of pull? Sleep. Sleep in the sense we sleep. So when we get up, what do you say? Is it sing, tired, rest or awake? Sweet. So what is of sweet? What is the opposite of sweet? Is it sugar, yummy, sour or tasty? 14th one, talkative. A person who talks more, we can say he is talkative. Then what might be the opposite? Is it good, noisy, quiet or vocal? Which is the correct answer? 15th one, villain. In the movies we can find the villain. So who is opposite of villain? Actor, hero, singer or bad? Villain, with whom a villain fights. 16th one, rough. A thing which is very rough. So what will be the opposite? It must not be rough. Then what is it? Is it tough, rocky, smooth or rise? A sponge will not be rough. How it will be? Basing on that you can take it. 17th one, new. New is something which we have bought just now. Then we can say it is new. What about the things which are there from many days or many years in our house? Can we say them as latest, fresh, old or now? So basing on this you can give the answer. Drop means whatever there in your hand you are throwing down. What do you say if you take them from down? Is it dump, pick, hive or fall? Hive means it is the house of the bee. Beehive we say. So the house which is built by a bee. Now see page number 11, 19th question. Dry. So dry means which doesn't contain any water or anything. It's totally dry. Then what about the opposite of it? Is it damp, dull, dusty or hard? 20, rest. We are going to take rest. So what is the opposite? We never take rest. Then what do we do? Break, sleep, easy or work? 21, better. So our health is better now. We are good. No problem is there. Then what do we say? The opposite of it. Is it good, large, okay, worse? So what is the meaning of worse? Worse means it is not at all good. Now tick the correct answer. 22, upset. So upset, a person is not feeling well and is thinking something and a problem is there for him, then we can say he is upset. No problems, nothing is there. Then how will a person be? Is he joyful, sad, problem or angry? 23rd, high. High means which is there above, up. Then we can say it is high above. High. Now what is the one which is down? Can we say it as great, up, low or big? Busy. So a person who is not at all busy, what can we say? Hurry, inactive, annoy. Annoy means making others to get frightened. So making he is getting anger and making them others to get. So we say that annoy. Friendly. So what is the correct answer for busy? Wrong. I think you might be knowing the answer for this. Teachers normally if you do any mistake they say wrong. If you doesn't make any mistake then what it is? Is it bad, hurt, unfit or correct? Next, 26th, east. Do you know the directions? North, south, east and west. So what is the opposite of the east? Is it come, go, lay or west? Funny. Funny means making others to laugh on something. We say funny. They make jokes and make others to laugh. If they are not at all laughing, what do you say? What is the correct answer? Is it laugh, serious, joke or happy? 28th, polite. So if a person talking with respect to elders in a very pleasing way, we can say he's talking polite. What do you say, person, if he's not at all talking polite, he's shouting at others? Can we say gentle, nice, rude, or cool? 29th, loud, speaking very loudly, making more and more noise. So what will be the opposite? That doesn't make any noise. What do you say? Can we say silent, full, big, or deep? 30, drowsy. Drowsy means we are feeling sleepy, we want to sleep, no, we are unable to do something, we are feeling drowsy. But a person is not at all drowsy. Whatever, if we call him, suddenly he will just get up and he just come to us. Then what do you say? Is it sleepy, close, alert, or lazy? Now achievers section. So coming to achievers section, 31, scream. Screaming means to shout very loudly. They are shouting at others, calling in a big sound. So they are not doing such things. They are not at all screaming. Then what is the opposite of this? Is it cry, strike, quiet, or roar? 32, boring. Really, if we are sitting at home normally without any work, we feel bored. Now if we go to some other places where we enjoy, we feel that we can do something here, we are enjoying it very much, then what can we say? Is it exciting, dull, unfair, or easy? 33, stale. Stale means something which is spoiled. Stale, some bananas, if we get to home and after 10 days they will look stale. What can we say the first day when we get the bananas? Or something like flowers, the first day, are they sour, dry, old, or fresh? 34, expensive. It's very costly, we take more money for that. If very less money, we are getting it for very less, even very low cost, then what can we say? Is it cheap, rich, costly, or high? 35, jealous. If we feel jealous by seeing others, they are having more money, they are having more chocolates, then we feel jealous. Though they have more, we doesn't feel anything, then what can we say? Can we say rival, admiring, and, or upset? Now basing on this, try to answer the questions, children. So I hope you may do that. Okay, thank you.